little sip every now and then. You ought to be ashamed of yourself. Oh, come on.
All right, we're going to... Is this working? Hi, guys. We're going to fly Ian's thing. That's Blackhawks thing. We're not real sure. You got the arms on upside down. You know that, right?
Yeah. It's all right.
Okay.
Ship or swap.
Wow. Okay. No, those are right.
No,
they're right. I'm sorry. No. I'm thinking of the F450. That is it. That one there's
330.
That's a 330 flame wheel that I gave him that I've had for decades. And what motors you got on that? You got like
these are
Maker Fires.
Maker Fire 2206 1950 that you gave me as well.
Yeah,
I was looking through my parts. I'm like, hey.
This is from the drawer of yesteryear. Grab that one. So. This is just a fun quad. It's not even a poor boy, because poor boys can at least handle a crash. And he's got his GoPro.
F3.
Yeah, and if you notice, he did not pay extra to get the center of gravity.
No.
Yeah, this has no center of gravity whatsoever.
I didn't spend for that. I'm not a big spender.
He decided not to buy physics. So.
I don't buy into
And you're running 6-inch bullnose on 2300 motors.
That you gave me as well.
Oh, I did? Yeah. Fuck. None of this shit's going to work.
I figure if Jay gave me everything, something's got to work.
Some fucking smoke got to come out of it. All right.
So we'll see what happens.
He's got his bobblehead on. He's good. All right.
All right.
Let's see if this is fast as Monster. All right.
Yeah.
Look at that shit. It flies. Kind of. It actually flies pretty good. Just don't crash it. That is a GPS drone frame. I would never, ever in a million years advise somebody to fly it as a quad. It's actually doing pretty good. I'm impressed. Look at that. It's smooth. It's quiet. Huh.
200 feet.
Oh, you got the barometer on?
Oh, yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, it's ready for a GPS.
Yep, we got it. We'll turn this into an EWAD. We're going to use JJ's crazy-ass waterproofing trick on this one. We're going to fly it in the lake. And I bet you it's fine. Can fly it into a bathtub of roto-twisters, man.
I've got a couple of pool noodles chopped up on my back porch I'm going to put on the arms of this thing. I'm going to land it in some water.
Yeah, just make a ring.
Hey, yeah.
Yeah, I thought about that a long time ago.
Nice little barrel roll.
That thing flies pretty nice. I'd say this is about as close as you can get to like a fixed wing that's a quad.
It really is.
It is. It's a graceful... Now I want to point something out. That frame, if you guys buy that frame, I think they're $13. The flight controller is $20. The motors are probably $30 for all four. But it's a neat little day flyer, you know, just for fucking around. And if you want to build a GPS drone and waterproof it, what was that?
That's the prop not liking high speed.
You can't go full speed because the bullnose props suck. That's funny. Harmonics. But the flame wheel frames, for those of you that don't know, have been around since quads started. And they're great little frames. They actually fly really well on a drone. I've built... Sorry, I fat thumbed the button. I've built 3 or 4 or 5 flame wheel 450s in my life. Hover that thing for a sec. So you can hear it's pretty smooth. He's flying at Nacro. Nice. Take off. Sounds like a little hovercraft or something. But if you just want a good relaxing fly with not much money, there you go. Now, I do recommend if you guys build one of these, buy extra arms. They do not like crashes.
I've already replaced these ones.
He's already replaced all 4 of them. These frames were made to have GPSs, return to home, and landing nicely. They're not made to crash. But they're fun. Almost makes me want one again. Almost. Beautiful. That's really cool. It's smooth as shit. I'm impressed. Cheap ass motors. Hell, a camera costs 3 times more than the quad.
Yeah, and the camera, I think, was $10.
Are you serious? No, I mean the GoPro.
Oh, hell yeah. The GoPro is all the cost on this thing.
How's your battery?
Pretty good.
Wow, I'm surprised.
3.5 minutes.
Damn. That's fun.
Like you said, it's a nice, relaxing little flight. I mean, you want to go out and just like, kind of almost like you said, get a fixed wing feel.
Yeah, it's
nice,
like
just cruise smooth.
Absolutely. And what you do is you tell your wife you're going to build her a bird. You say it's going to be $1,000. You spend $200 on this and $800 on yours. That's how you do that.
She'll never know the difference.
All right.
All right.
There's the Blackhawk butter churner. Hey, nice landing.
Bam, JJ! Hope you like fishing. Bam, JJ! Hey, JJ! Hope you like fishing.